Hey folks, welcome to Mickey's Cheese Cavern. Today I am going to show you what happened to those bries that I did a few weeks ago, including one that was a total failure. Like I said, I'm just a cheese making apprentice myself. So enjoy the show, and please do remember to click the subscribe button at the end of it. So I have decided today to open two separate bries, one from October 9th and one from October 10th, just to have a look at them and see what comes out of it. So it's October 24th and I have three different bries here that are basically 14 days old, and I had to package them in different papers because I didn't have what I needed back then. And one was from a big square, which I cut up after ripening, which I found out afterwards I'm not supposed to do. This is from the same batch, but not cut up. And this is from a batch the day before. I'm curious to see how they look, because this is still all very exciting for me. So hang on, here we go. I'm gonna open up this one first, and because I had no paper left, let's see what happens to it. I've used tin foil. I got different papers now, so I'm gonna put them on the board afterwards. Ooh, very moist in here. Okay. Smells very ripe. The moisture did not escape the way I thought it was going to. And it definitely did not turn out the way I wanted it to. It's very slimy. It's separated. No, this one is a no-go. There's no question about that. This one is a no-go. So I'm gonna put that on here. That didn't turn out, not even remotely. Okay, so here comes one from the same batch that didn't turn out, but with the right paper and not cut up. Let's see what this one looks like. It's very soft to the touch. Oh, this one's better. Yeah. This one needs to be aging a little bit, but it smells good and I can live with that. That one turned out okay. Now, let's try this one that I did supposedly on the 9th. I gotta get better with the dating of the cheeses. Oops, no, I don't think this one turned out either. No, it didn't turn out. Yeah, that's interesting. Let's cut this one open. Looks very nice on the inside. Oh, it smells nice. It just didn't get the rind. I'm gonna go clean my knife. Let's see how this one cuts open. That was the one in the paper that I bought through Amazon. Yeah, this one cuts open nicely. It's not ripe in the middle, but it's only 2 weeks old. I'm gonna have to try this one. This one turns out nicely. Yeah. This one turned out really nice. It's obviously not ripe. You can see here in the middle. Or not ripe, but it's, again, it's on the stronger flavor. But I know what that is. This one here, I'm gonna give that a try. Much milder. Not as pretty by far. And just for the fun of it, I'm gonna open a small piece of butter cheese. Like what I can already see, there's moisture in there too. But this was just a matter of drying. Let's see if this one cuts open. Oh, the butter cheese is just spectacular. Such an easy cheese to make. Definitely not ripe yet, but oh, is that going to be good? I'm going to reseal that one. I'm going to let these firm up a bit in the fridge and see what happens to them. All in all, not too bad. The butter cheese is right on target. The one batch of brie turned out okay. I can improve on the rind for sure. And the other batch just didn't turn out aesthetically. But I guess that's also a matter of what I'm expecting. But from the inside, oh my. So here is the butter cheese, Butterkäse. Very young, but very good already. And look at that. There's the brie that I did online a couple of weeks ago. Pretzel, caramelized blueberry onions, some nice sausages, Moroccan olives, avocados. Yep, that's the way. I mean, this is one of the reasons why I started getting into cheese making. Because to round this all off, it's my cheese. I made this from scratch and I know the ingredients. So that's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna eat something now. I'm gonna have a drink and then I'm gonna shut it down for the day because I'm done. See you later.